Hello traders, the title of the video is how to empower candlestick trading and maximize technical trading accuracy. Alright, do you want to empower your candlestick trading? Do you want to improve your technical trading? Do you want to maximize your technical trading accuracy? Alright, my objective is to keep this video very short and highlight the most important thing that you need to know, all right, to empower your candlestick trading and maximize the technical trading accuracy. So what we are about to do is a little bit different. Instead of looking for candlestick pattern, we will be using the high, the low, the opening price, and the closing price of a candlestick pattern. Right? So very often traders are looking only for a candlestick pattern, but this time we'll use the key levels of the candlestick pattern. We can apply this strategy, all right, on a daily chart, weekly chart, or even on a 4-hour time frame. But for more powerful results, you want to use the yearly chart. All right, very important. All right, if you do not want to use the yearly chart, use instead, all right, the quarterly chart. All right, those are the two time frame I will highly recommend to trader to use. So you may say to me, George, I already know what you are about to talk about, key levels of candlestick pattern. I'm not interested. And I will say to you, hold on a second, there are more to it, and watch the full length of this tutorial. All right. So I'm now on the yearly chart looking at Autodeck Incorporated, Epic ADSK. This is an American stock belonging to the technology sector, a software application. So this is 2016 candlestick bar. As you can see, the pink line is the high of 2016. All right, the orange line is the closing price of 2016, and the black line is the opening price of 2016, and the green line is the low of that year. So I have already done my homework, the high, the low, all right, the closing price, and the opening price. So I have all those lines ready on my chart, all right? The next thing that you need to do is to apply Fibonacci extension from the low of that candlestick bar to the high. So we apply Fibonacci extension to the range of that candlestick bar. Now, you see, all this I've done now on the yearly chart, we can do it on the 4-hour time frame. We can select a candlestick bar on the 4-hour time frame and do exactly that. But I would prefer, if you are so desperate about lower time frame, in fact, I don't recommend it, but if you want to do it, use at least, the daily chart. Don't play with it on the 4-hour time frame, all right? Use at least the daily chart if you want to apply this strategy. Best time frame, all right, quarterly chart, yearly chart. If you don't have the quarterly chart, then use the monthly chart. If you don't have the monthly chart, then use the weekly chart, all right? But don't go below the daily chart, okay? So those are the things we want to do first. So one more time, the high, the low, the opening price, the closing price. Then we apply Fibonacci extension to that candlestick bar, okay? And we highlight the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of that candlestick bar. We'll also draw the line between the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level and the 100% Fibonacci extension level. That's the median line here. That's the line that I have here. So it's the middle line between the 138.2% and the 100% level. So now we have all those lines ready before a new candlestick bar is starting. So for instance, you are about to day trade, all right? You go to the daily chart, you do exactly what I'm showing to you here. You draw all these lines before the market is open. So as the market is open, all you are looking for is for trading setup in the vicinity of those key levels. I have not finished yet. Now, another thing that you can do, all right, because we are talking about candlestick, trading, you will look for candlestick pattern in the vicinity of one of those key level. All right, look for candlestick pattern in the vicinity of one of those key level. Look for chart pattern. Look for specific price structure in the vicinity of one of those key level. So you say, John, this is another theory. What is so now I've done it now on the yearly chart. You know all this line here. The red line here is the 138.2% level. The pink line is the high. The low is the green. The opening price is the black line, and the closing price is the orange. Okay, so let's go now this year. Let's go to the weekly chart and see what has happened around those key levels. So the 138.2% recently, you see what's happened here. Price breaks above that key level and retest it here. See here. So on the weekly chart, all right. So from the yearly chart, we draw all this line. Now on the weekly chart, we have a swing trading setup here. Price came down 1, 2, 3. Now the following candlestick bar is bullish. Minimum price move is free. This one is this a bullish harami. So if you ignore the tail of this one, will you call this one a bullish harami here? This is what we are talking about. You see here, the red line is the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of the candlestick pattern last year. So will you agree that professionals are applying this method? How do they know that this is a very important key level here? All right, this is what we are talking about. There is a bullish harami. If you accept that, there is a price structure here, 1, 2, 3, retesting that key level. Don't just buy, don't just sell. Prior to bullish signal above, prior to bear signal below, implement a different time frame trading method to control the risk. Okay, I got 2 minutes more left. Okay, let's move on. All right, so you see now, that's what we are talking about. So pay attention to the peak line. This is 2017. All right, so 2017, if you place a vertical line there very fast, that's the beginning of it. Beginning of 2017, price breaks above the high of last year. You see, that's the pink line here. But we see here again, 1, 2, 3. Will you agree again? Okay, all right. Do you see that? 1, 2, 3. Form a double bottom. In fact, here it is above the high of last year. You see how the price acknowledge the media line, this one, this candlestick bar, between the 138.2% and the 100% level. All right, you see now, that's the media line between the 138.2% and the 100% level. Professional did acknowledge that key level. Look again here. Those are the shadow here, how the price was acknowledging. Okay, those are key level. So from 2017, all those lines you see here, trading setup here, now recently another trading setup. Apart from those key level that I've already mentioned, my friend, you can also pay attention to the 161.8% level, the 200%, okay, Fibonacci extension level of last year. Most importantly, look for candlestick pattern in the vicinity of one of those key levels. Okay. Look for price structures, very important. Look for chart pattern. And once you identify a trading setup, implement a different time frame trading method to control the risk. You can use this for daily chart, so you apply it to the daily chart, the high, the low, the opening and the closing. You apply Fibonacci extension to the daily candlestick bar, the last daily candlestick bar. All right. Are you with me? All right. And then you just leave it there before the market is open. Best scenario, use the weekly chart. So a weekly candlestick bar is closed on Friday. So Monday, you come in, you apply. Okay, you highlight the high, the low, and the media line. Or no, not the media line. The high, the low, the opening, and the closing price of last week. And then you apply Fibonacci extension to the range of that weekly candlestick bar that is closed. You highlight the 138.2% level. You also draw the median line between the 138 and the 100% level. You just leave it there. And now you go back to your lower time frame, 15 minutes to the hourly time frame, and you monitor the reaction on the price, looking for candlestick pattern, price structure, all right? And then you implement, if you see a trading setup in the vicinity, one of those key levels, you know how to trade it like a pro, and you handle it. So you do not just buy and sell anywhere, anyhow, but you are trading together with the professional traders, all right? As always, if you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. All right. If you find this video truly useful, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that, Joe, you have done a poor job today, let us know by giving us the thumbs down. That will put us under pressure to improve our next recording. However, if you think that this is an essential tutorial, all right, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. So this will conclude our discussion today about how to empower candlestick trading and maximize technical trading accuracy. As you can see, you will make accurate technical trading decision here. Here again, you will make accurate technical trading decision here. All right. Speak to you soon.